Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find CNFANS promo codes in 2025. Most working codes don't show up directly in the app. Instead, you'll usually find them in online communities like Reddit. Subreddits, such as Fashion Reps or Rep Ladies, often share legit codes in posts or spreadsheets that are updated regularly. Some of the best promos also come from invite links, especially if you're a new user. Another tip is to watch for big sale seasons. CNFANS sometimes runs quiet promotions in app banners or special events like Spin to Win, which can give you discounts or shipping credits. Avoid searching on Google for CNFANS codes. Most of those sites are outdated or fake. If you want fresh codes, check the Reddit community and always verify the date to make sure the code is still active. That's it. Use these tips to grab the best CNFANS promo codes in 2025.